Hi guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be building a raised vegetable bed using this 3x3 lumber and those 1x3s. This is all scrap wood, so now let's first start by cutting the wood down to size. So this video was filmed before I got my bandsaw, so I'm just using a reciprocating saw to cut it up. I just cut the wood into 1 foot long sections. This is the larger wood. I think it was 3x3 or 4x4. But any salvaged wood will work, provided it's large enough that you can screw boards to it on 2 edges. And the wood cut pretty easily because it was soft wood, but because I was using a sawzall, the cut wasn't very straight, but it's not a big deal for a project like this. Of course, if I were to do it again, I'd use my Portaband. If you have a circular saw, that will work too. So now I started by cutting up the 1x3 lumber. This will serve as the sides, and you can calculate how many you need by first finding the perimeter of your vegetable bed. Then of course you will need to cut the wood into different lengths. Usually you'll have 2 lengths if it's a rectangle. Then the number of boards of each length you need depends on the height. So it's pretty easy to figure out. And this wood is old floorboards I found in the crawl space. It's oak, so it's pretty hard, but it's still easy to work with. Finally, I've cut the wood. Now I can start to assemble the vegetable bed. I'll be using some exterior screws, just drive them in with my impact, so let's get started. So to assemble the vegetable bed, I just stood up the 4 corner posts, then attached the wood boards to the side to make a rectangle. Then I kept adding layers of height until it got to the height that I needed. And that was overall pretty straightforward to build. So here's the completed vegetable bed. My grandma added some netting to keep birds out. She's growing some gochitsu, the Chinese vegetable. Not vegetable, fruit here. And I built another vegetable bed with some more scrap material. And she's growing some jiucai, another Chinese vegetable with no English name, so not sure what to call it. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. If you built your own, drop a link to a picture in the comments, and see you all next time.